Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and this video I want to talk about two important things. Number one, why it is very important that we must know what our targets are. You know, there is a sort of commitment that we must learn to do to ourselves and to people around. Because it is those commitments in future they make you run towards your goals. It's a good idea to write down on a piece of paper that I will be buying my first house in this year on this date. And it's a very good idea to write down somewhere where you can see it every day. And it's a reasonable idea to share it with your family members and few of your friends and maybe one or two outsiders. Because with this, whenever you will meet those guys or you will see that thing written, it will remind you of your goals. And if you happen to see any competition, international competition, where you are supposed to shoot the target, the brilliant shooters are always taught you must see the target and shoot a little above. Then you will hit the target. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ऊंचा निशाना साधो and you will finally hit the target. So try to defeat the date that you have written to buy a house. It is just the first stepping stone towards the next milestone. The second rule. This is by Paulo Coelho. I happen to follow his page on Facebook. And from where I got this quote. A man stands in front of a tall mountain, huge mountain, and he wants to climb up on the mountain. But there is a storm. Right, there's a storm. Then he says that I understand that this is not the right time to chase what I want to do. But the weather will improve. The storm will settle down very soon. And I will again come back to conquer the mountaintop. So rule number 2 says, never give up. Because time will pass anyway. But you should be visualizing that point where you want to shoot, hit a little above it, and if there's a strong wind blowing, it will settle down. Thank you very much.